New to HubSpot CRM. Here's a quick overview of the key features you need to know. Step 1. Dashboard. Get a real-time view of your sales pipeline, deals and tasks. Everything in one place. Step 2. Contacts and companies. Store and organize all customer information, emails and activity history automatically. Step 3. Deals and pipelines. Track opportunities stage by stage with simple drag and drop functionality. Step 4. Tasks and activities. Set reminders, schedule follow-ups, and log every call or email to stay on top of your day. Step 5. Email integration and automation. Connect your inbox, use templates, and automate outreach for consistent follow-ups. Bonus, it's free to start, easy to use, and built to scale as you grow.